Welcome again, guys. Welcome to another drive-in video with Smiley in the city, and we're actually in Sutton Coalfield, the town of Sutton Coalfield, and it's just a drive-in tour. We're going to give you this one. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Royal Town of Sutton Coalfield. The town is just down there to your right. We're not going into that part of it. Just going through South Parade in the centre. This guy's just driving through Sutton Town Centre here. This is not going to be a long driving tour, but hope that you enjoy it anyway. Jamaican uncle over there in Georgia, how you doing? I know you're supporting my channel most of the times. You know, you put my playlist on, which I really appreciate. Beryl Afro TV, haven't heard you're doing much these days since your channel got messed up, and I haven't been following your new channel yet, but I'll get round to it and get back in touch. But whatever you're doing, hope that your channel will bounce back, and so that you can get monetized again. Just over on the right there, guys, if you know the area, over there's a horse and jockey, just to the right there. Benjamin the Wise Guy, Dr. Benjamin, how you doing? Keep up the good work, saving lives and giving your expert advice to all your patients, and also the live stream what you do. A lot of people's learning from it. I think by the time they finish, everybody will be a doctor, the way you come out and you explain things on your channel. Keep up the good work, Dr. Benjamin. Traya, how are you? Saverman. Saverman, let me know if I'm actually pronouncing Traya's name right this time. Traya. I suppose it's the way I say it. You gotta say it very quick. Let me know. If not, I'll have to go back to the drawing board and start all over again. Good to see you guys doing all your supporting of each and every YouTuber, and hope one day that you will all get your reward, and that reward is get monetized and start earning from YouTube, if that is what you want. Dorothy, you're always supporting myself and also a lot of the other YouTubers on the platform. Keep up the good work. Hilda Taylor over there in Jamaica, how you doing? You're always supporting as well. It's so nice to see all the people who support one another comes on the channel, especially on Jamaican Uncle's channel, and give each other support. Really appreciate it. Yeah, for all those who watch my videos, all those who watch Smile in the City video and you don't subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free, you don't have to pay. And if you're watching, just subscribe, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell, so every time I put a video out, it will show up on your phone or your tablet or whatever device you've got turned on. So don't miss a trick. Go ahead and support and subscribe to Smile in the City. It will bring you a lot more contents from Birmingham area, in and around Birmingham, and as you know, occasionally videos from other countries. So keep coming back and supporting the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. Just to the left here, guys, we just passed the Yenton. So for all you people who live in Birmingham or know Birmingham area, the Yenton is on the corner of Chester Road and Sutton Road. Just across the road there you got McDonald, which must say that I'm not a fan of McDonald at all.
blocked Kings Winford Road in...
That my radio was just giving me traffic updates, which I don't want to hear at the moment. This road we're on is Chester Road. And just to the left we have the Digby, which is a restaurant. It's another beautiful day in Birmingham. Temperature is up in the 20s. I was going to say 30s, and I wish it was in the 30s, but yeah, it's in the 20s. Nice, comfortable temperature. Just going on to, this is a Tyburn road here. Right guys, I told you this is going to be just a short tour. So we're going to wrap this one up here. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for supporting the channel. And whatever you're doing, have yourself a great day. And hope to see you in the next one. So bye bye for now.